So here's how you can find the Apple Watch if it's offline. So if you obviously cannot ping the Apple Watch, which by the way, you should try because you can go to the control center, add a new toggle there, and you can find ping my Apple Watch, right? So if you cannot find it somewhere around your house, you can ping it and make sure it rings. But if it's completely offline or the battery is like empty, right, you can open up the Find My application and check out your devices at the bottom. So this will allow you to see your Apple Watch. And if it doesn't tell you the up-to-date information, it will at least tell you or show you the last known location. So it is either going to be somewhere around you or completely else, but you'll be able to see when was the last time that the Apple Watch was online and when it happened, of course, and what the situation was like. So you can check it out and at least know some information about the current state of your Apple Watch. Obviously, if the Apple Watch has been like empty for weeks on end, it will not give you any useful information, only the last known location, right? So obviously, if the device doesn't have access to the outside world or internet, you will not be easily able to identify its location. So let me know below if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later.